Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to turn on minimum energy saving mode on your LG Smart TV. Okay, first grab your remote and press settings button or click settings icon top of the screen. After that, click all settings button bottom right corner. Once you are in all settings, you can see supports menu. In the support menu, you will find energy saving options. Now click on it to see energy saving settings. By default, energy saving default is turned off. Now simply choose minimum to activate minimum energy saving mode. That's it. Quick and easy energy saving your LG Smart TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share Nera Everything channel. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I will reply to all. Thanks for watching.